Ladies and gentlemen, here he comes from the right. 650 miles an hour of F-14 Tomcat. Ladies and gentlemen, F-14 Tomcat and the tuck under brake.
This guy is with it.
All right, now if you look closely, you'll see that when you start to sweep forward again, the Tomcat will approach at 140 miles per hour. If you listen closely, you'll be able to hear the precise power changes required in the simulated approach to an aircraft carrier. A vivid depiction of the action taking place aboard U.S. Navy aircraft carriers around the world, day and night in good weather and bad. The deck has 4 wires spaced every 45 feet, any one of which the tail hook may engage. Immediately upon touchdown, the pilot adds full military power, and it will be the tail hook and not the wheel brakes that stop the airplane. In the event the tail hook does not catch the cable, and we have an event called a folder, then the crew will take off the go-around for another try. Now, Roll has advised us that Frenchy is going to perform the touch and go at Show Center.
He's going to land and take off again.
I got it.
Done by 160 Polo.
It's going to be loud.
New Tomcat aircrew with Fighter Squadron 101, where he additionally acts as a landing signal officer. All right, coming in once again now, ladies and gentlemen, for the final pitch up and the break. F-14 radar intercept officer is First Lieutenant John Callsign Roll Kaiser. A Burke, Virginia native, Lieutenant Kaiser received his master's in aerospace engineering from Virginia Polytechnic Institute in 1993 and went on to graduate from flight school in 1995. After being selected to fly F-14s, Roll was assigned to Fighter Squadron 31, the world-famous Tomcatters. While with the Tomcatters, Roll completed 2 deployments to the West Pacific and Persian Gulf aboard the USS Carl Vinson and the USS Abraham Lincoln. He is currently an instructor with Fighter Squadron 101, training new Tomcat air crew for the fleet. Lieutenant Kaiser has over 1,300 flight hours, 1,100 of them in the Tomcat. He also has over 300 carrier-arrested landings and has completed 40 combat missions over Bosnia and Iraq. It has 4 different air-to-air weapons: the long-range Phoenix, the medium-range Sparrow, and the short-range Sidewinder missiles, plus a 20mm cannon that has a rate of fire of 6,000 rounds per minute. Utilizing tactics begun in the Gulf War, and with the addition of the Lantern infrared laser targeting pod, the Tomcat is now the premier precision strike platform for the Navy. Tomcats were the primary U.S. strike aircraft in Operation Desert Fox and Allied Force, using a variety of laser-guided bombs. The F-14 is also capable of delivering a wide variety of conventional bombs, rockets, and cluster weapons. Avionics and flight control upgrades will make the Tomcat a variable and viable warplane beyond the year 2010.